Yo, yo. Check, check, check. What's up, YouTube? What's up, TikTok? All right, W. You wouldn't believe it. If I didn't have the noise suppressor turned up to 4 million, the people that drill in Dubai follow me. So they're drilling outside my door, basically. Big Rad, what up, G? Let's have a look here on gold. We're moving up. Doing amazing, doing amazing. Good to be here with you guys. Really good to be here with you guys. Let's have a look. I'm just going to do a quick overview here. Look at this, trying to get a pulse on what's happening here. So daily's moving up here. Yeah, London's moved forward an hour, so this is London open now. 4 hours massively moving up. Very big 4-hour level here. I'm sure you guys are looking at as well. 1 hour close, super bullish. Where's your target? Well, in order for me to have a target, I have to have a trade set up. Right now, I'm just trying to get a pulse on this. Yeah, this level is looking really interesting that we're moving up towards. 30 minute, 15. It's a bit of a shame that this candle's up here like that. I might just leave. Is that a wick? Yeah, I might just leave this level as it is for now, and potentially look at this as a wick fill if we get like a 30 closure above this line. So let's leave this level here as it is. And where I'm sitting right now, I'm bullish. So I guess I'll put a level here and see if we get a closure below, but I don't really like it for closures below. We'll see though. Swaggy D, what up, what up? NQ's looking good. Let's have a look. What up, Louie? Fucking NQ, bro. I mean, can you just believe NQ, man? If only we bought when Trump tariffs came in. Wow. Should we take impulses? Oh, they rejected my order. It's too late now. What the fuck was that all about? Well, I tried to enter a buy here. It's too late now. It broke above the high. Nah, this is MNQ. Look. Damn. Yeah, I would have been in a buy here. I mean, I'd probably be at break even at this point. Oh well. Everything happens for a reason. Sound like you're underwater? Nah, it's fucking drilling outside. Yeah, they're following me around, these drillers. They're following me, my dude. Order rejected. Yeah, that wasn't very nice of them. Where'd my levels go? Yeah, this is where we are. I mean, we're moving up, so let's see if we can move up with it. Man. You blew your 100K funded account the other day, bro. I need help. I mean, why did you blow it, bro? That'd be the big question. Why did it blow? You got to identify that first of all. You know what I mean? Bro, has anyone ever made it to Bullinox Live? They keep changing like, as you get further along in your journey, you realize there's like new rules and shit. It's such a fucking scam. I'll say it right now. I'm only doing it for all the times that they've, yeah, I don't even know. What rules? I think on the last payout, like, you know how it's like a 10-day between each payout? The last one, it goes up to like 15 trading days. And then you need 10K in the account. But then even after that, they say, oh, we'll have a risk management team assess your account and shit. It's just like, I don't know, man. It's so sus. No, it doesn't. Lack of sleep, got angry. Nah, that's still cope, bro. That's still cope. To say lack of sleep, got angry and working on it, it's still cope. It's like, what did you do on the charts? Not what happened outside of the charts. Like, what happened on the charts? Nice, Barney. I trade futures and forex. F&F. What car do you drive? The rental that I took, that I picked up when I got to the airport 4.5 months ago. What do you say to people that say trading's a scam? I say, what's this on my screen right now? It says $1,000 just today alone. How is that a scam? That's real money that I can have. And I did the same yesterday and the day before that and the day before that and the day before that. I made 16 grand. The week before that, I made 12 grand a day. Like, what do you say? How is that a scam? Yeah, about to go villain mode on the rug pull, bro. Over leveraged. Yeah, there you go, bro. So now you know what not to do. I say it all the time, but all the shit's always the same. It's just like, it's either over leverage, over trade, impulse trade, revenge trade. That's all. Is this Top Step? I mean, I'm switching between Top Step and Bullinox, yeah. You think it's possible to automate your trading? No. How much is the cost of your mentorship? Probably too much for you. There's different tiers, but yeah, depends which tier. You overtrade yesterday, Candace? Yeah. I mean, we all do it at times, right? But the idea is that when you do it, you get burnt and then you go, man, I can't do that again. Because the data is there every time it happens. It never ends well. If you ever look through your data and check out your days where it's like showing the biggest losses, typically it'll be the days, and you'll look at how many trades are taken that day. It'll typically always be the days where there's way too many trades taken. Flex the rolly. Dude, it's just a watch. I can get a $10 watch that tells the time as well. 3 main tips for people who keep failing in trading, where to improve. I'll give you one main tip. You just need to identify Why? I mean, your definition of failing could be different to mine, but I'm assuming that means you just keep losing. You can't get on top with your profits. And that'll always just be like, you're doing something. Mine was always revenge trade. And I knew how to trade, but I couldn't control my emotions, right? And I would always revenge trade. Like the thing is, a lot of traders are decent at trading, but they're real shit at managing their emotions. Is it just date? Yeah. Date just, yeah. With diamonds. But don't you think the reason I over leverage is more important than preventing the future? No, because you're trying to say the only reason I over leveraged was because I didn't sleep. And that's cope. That's not true. All right, that's not true. Because that's blaming an external thing. The only reason people over leverage in reality is one, lack of emotional control, but two is because you're thinking about the money. You want to make money. I need money, money, money. So if I put on a big trade here and I win this big trade, I'm going to make money. And it's like, nah, bro, the goal is just to take a good trade and then do it again tomorrow and the next day and the next day. Yeah, agreed. Jesus is reliable. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. You're close to a payout as well. Yeah, that's always the case, right? So when you're close to passing the counter, you're close to a payout. It's like, man, I gotta fucking, let me do this shit. It was an instant funded account. Yeah, instant funded. Have you watched Big Daddy Max reacting to your trade strat? Yeah, I've seen one before. Yeah, it's dope. You're not answering me. Why? Probably because it's a lame question. China. Fuck, what was I saying? Yeah, so we've got these levels here, you guys. Let's pay attention to how price wants to, if it wants to get to one of these levels and how it reacts. Follow the system, yeah. Can we call it? I don't know what a fade is, bro. Sorry. Yeah, instant funded accounts. Yeah, the thing about instant funded accounts, I would really only suggest it if you're like pretty like well experienced in trading, and even then, it's kind of like they're lame. They have a bigger profit split, and it's hard to respect them at all. Like instant funded accounts I've had, I just can't respect them. I don't know what it is. Maybe because I'm like, the profit split sucks, and it's, I don't know. I don't know what it is. I can't respect instant funded accounts. Hello, bro. Sale. I just read Trade in the Zone. Now it's an audio version again. W. What up, Chuck? Oh, look at this. I watched your video on entries and 10x my position. W. W. Yeah, and consistency rule on trading sucks as well. What made you? I mean, the reason my levels are here is just because this is the closest level where candle bodies on the 15-minute time frame have closed, red and blue. And I know below that is clean traffic to the next level, which is here. And then above, to the left, we've got these levels here on the 15-minute time frame. You could say, but what about this? If I drop to the 30, this is just one wick. And I'm looking at potentially just using that as a wick fill and maybe ignoring that. And I know above there is clean traffic, but if not, it might have to move it to there. But for now, I'm going to leave it here. Jesus was reliable. I trained triceps and calves today. What's that over there? You should come visit my country. What's Thai Terasi? Got a call from your team yesterday and they scheduled for today, but Harry, but it got cancelled. What's next, bro? I mean, just ask him why it got cancelled. Revolutionize your trading. Boom. Money in the bank. I mean, you guys, the cat's in the mentorship, but it's just like, it's getting out of control. We've got, in the last 12 hours, we've had 3 traders get their first ever funded account. Like they're first funded for the first time. Look at this. Let's go. First ever challenge account pass. Boom. First ever challenge account pass. Boom. Wins, wins, wins. All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get. Sylvia, first ever challenge account. Boom. You guys sleeping on it. You guys sleeping on what we're doing over here. We're changing lives. DanielHolmestrades.com if you're interested in taking shit next level. Don't go on there if you're just looking for signals though, or we'll block you. Jesus was reliable. The evidence suggests. Daniel look handsome today? Oh, thank you for that. I feel ugly today. So now I'm a bit more secure. Dixie passed as well. Wait, someone else passed as well? And then we run the live stream. So this is the live stream that got run in the chat today. Every day we run live streams in the mentorship group. We run pre-London, Asia, and New York. And then I do London here and some random ones as well. But yeah, these guys crush it in the streams as well. Thoughts on NQ? I think it's just fucking around for the minute. Yeah, nothing on NQ. I mean, I was interested in a buy position as we came into the session, but right now there's nothing. Are you mocking or a believer? No, I'm not mocking. I'm a believer. I'm a believer. Be believer. Oh, is it FOMC today? Is Powell? Is it actually going ahead though? You guys coming to the end of the month. You know, we've got 2 days left of the month. Be careful here. Like, you know, we'll see what's up. Past 3 accounts? Where's that? The evidence suggests. Remember the person I was. I'm begging you. What up, Bez? What up, Kerr? How much does your mentorship cost, please? I've just been redundant after 25 years. I mean, we can help you focus if you want a new stream, but it's not going to be something that's going to substitute your previous income. It's going to take time. There's learning. The initial stage is learning and mastering the technicals, and then we transition into making money. Ah, thank you for reminding me. Yeah, we're going to do the meetup around the 20th of December. How do I join your Discord? Thank you for asking me, because I'm going to start promoting it in the Discord for anyone that wants to come to the meetup in Brisbane around the 20th of December. The meetup was reliable. I'll post in the YouTube chat here. Free Dissy. Thank yous. Do we have do we really have NFP today as well? No. Brother. So yeah, man, I got these levels marked out, and let's see if price can start to gravitate to these levels, and then see if we can get a trade happening. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, that's right. Crazy. Yeah. Show everyone losers certificates. Where is it? What channel is? What page is it in? Oh wow! Look at this 3K on my Express fund. I've got 3 of them. Learn a trade watching your YouTube. Wild. How many chats do you see at once? TikTok and YouTube. All right, man. So what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Still the 30-minute open. I want to join the academy. Join the academy, my brother. Let's lock in. Yeah, then I know they're drilling. It's crazy, bro. Noise suppressors on high. Nah, it's different on TikTok. It's not, the suppressor isn't as good. What's your target? Deer. Oh, dear. Whenever someone calls me dear, I just imagine like my grandma. Do you know any good ICT mentors? Bro, that's probably the most like common thing, right? Like ICT mentors. Can you share your Discord link? Yeah, you scroll up, I posted it. Do you like Imagine Dragon? Imagine Dragon? Yeah, I like Imagine Dragon. Yeah, I do. Let's have a look, man. What do we got? What's the 4-hour and Forex doing? Has anyone looked at this? Very strong. Close in 30 minutes. Looks very similar to futures. What's your strat about if you don't use SMC? You think SMC is like the only one or something? Just price action, my G. Bro, fuck off, loose. Thank God I read that. Drillology, bro, legit. What's price action about? Just reading candlestick and market structure, that's all. Nah, I don't trade news. So we get a 30 break above this level. I mean, that would be pretty cool, but it's a fucking lot of green, man. So much greenery. What up, history? So much greenery that I'm gonna buy anyway. Because I'm a degenerate. Surely there's a pullback. Now that whenever I've said that exact sentence, I've always been sadly proven otherwise on gold. I just signed up to what? If anyone wants to know anything really cool, in my YouTube live stream description, I have my broker that I use for my personal account. If in your first deposit, you get this. So if you put in 1,000, your account has 2,000. The link is in my description in my YouTube live stream. I'm live on YouTube right now. You type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, you'll see I'm live. And this sounds too good to be true, but it's not. It's bonkers, bro. What are the conditions? The best in the industry. Tora Markets. This is the account. This is the account for them that I use right now. This is Tora Markets right here. This is my personal. Yeah, I might trade on that today. What's the background music? Just random shit, I think. My emotes, I sit down and bum. David, I've been able to take trades on my XNES. Always say I can. No, that's what I was saying. That's what I have to say as well. It doesn't mean that you can withdraw your amount, get double, and then withdraw that double amount. No, they just allow you to use that for leverage to trade with. But then if you have 1,000, that still means that you have 2,000 to lose, but you can't just withdraw that money, right? Massive W. Yeah, the link's in my description here on YouTube. Now the platform they use is this one. It's Trade Locker. Is it allowed for Afghanistan? I'm not sure, brother, to be honest. Oh, you guys, I sold out and I'm gonna be working with Funded next. Yeah, I sold out for the cash. No, I shouldn't say sold out. It was a good deal, and they're a very reputable company. So I'll be doing some giveaways and some massive discounts with them next week. All right, man. So gold's kind of bitching it here. I didn't want to pop there. What's price action about? Just reading candlesticks, really. Mainly, that's the main thing. My main job is to be able to read candlesticks type shit. Name broker with bonus. If you click the link in my live stream description, like I've said 1,000 times, you'll see it all there. Would you still like to learn more about... Oh... Yeah, I have a Nando's wrap on the way. Do you have a preset highs and loss? Please check your email. Why? There's going to be nothing in there. I sign up to the course, as in you sign up for a meeting about joining. Please, please, please. Pez the Stream Lord. Nice, Aiden. Good stuff, man. London's been one single color lately. It's back to doing that, hey. Very common in London, just one colored bars, and you get to sit there and just watch it. It's really fun. Do you stream New York? Nah. Guys, if you aren't going to the gym every day, you might as well just live. You might as well just submit to no success in life. The gym's going to be like a reset to your mental, and it also brings in new ideas, I feel. What do you think about the 7 30-minute green candles in a row? It's fucking cooked. Hey, Dan, I just signed up for your mentorship. You signed up to... you put your details down. Because at the moment, we're still like, anyone that joins up, we still go through it and just make sure the application's legit and it's a good fit. So that's awesome that you did that. I'll have a look, my dude. Awesome. Love to work one-on-one with you, but I've mastered my strategy to the point where I'm scared to change. Well, you haven't mastered it. You just blew your account. You know what I mean? Don't let ego get in the way of you making money in the markets. So one of the biggest things I see in trading is like this ego of like, you got to understand that in order to probably find success in trading, you're going to have to take a few steps back in order to take 10 forward. But really, it's not a steps back, but it feels like it is. Down 11Ks, 2 months. W. Have you tried swimming? A little bit, but I would like to do it more. Last time I did it, I was so puffed out. I was like, wow, I need to do this more. What do you listen to in the gym, bro? Do you know what I listen to? I have my Spotify DJ, you know, like the AI DJ, like, what's up, Daniel? I'm going to give you some of your favorite tracks. And then I just let it do whatever it does. And it actually gives me some random bangers that I haven't thought about in years. All right, my brothers and sisters, here we are. Let's see what's happening. If anyone wants to know the time, just ask me. Now, the Spotify AI is actually like, it's pretty good. That's all I listen to now. Do you have educational videos? Yeah, I have educational videos. Again, I'll drop it one more time, you guys. In my live stream description, you put in $1,000, you get $2,000 in your broker account. This is the account right here. I have, you know, a bit over $5,000 in my account. But yeah, if you want to join with us, 100% bonus. And if you think that's too good to be true, then try it. And if I'm lying, then you can come back to me and come on live stream and say, Daniel guy lied, and I'll give you the money cash in hand. Yeah, Marcus. Ooh, who could it be? Thank you, man. I'll be a good live stream host and not eat this like a fucking mukbang. Sponsored by Nando's. Why are people buying when the market's closed? Because, you know, we just like to do that. Taylor Swift. Alternatively, if this can reject off this level and close relatively strong red, could sell, but I don't really like the idea of selling against this bullishness. Just eat all good. Nah, I don't eat. I won't eat. I won't eat. Yeah. How long does top step pay out after request? Not long. A couple of days or something. Day or something. A couple of days. See that you don't do live on YouTube every day? Yeah, I do. Nah, it doesn't taste different. Although the chickens here in Dubai are like, these chickens are sketchy, bro. They're like little midget ones. And you can get eggs here that cost like fucking $30 Australian dollars, or you can get eggs that cost like $7 Australian dollars. I'm like, same chicken, remarkably different pricing. You know, like those cheap chickens are just kind of like thrown in a fucking cage and just, you know, thrown on a boat and just banged around. You can taste the fear of the bird dying in the egg. It's just like, ugh. I don't know, man. Give me those steroid chickens, to be honest. But yeah, I guess maybe these ones are more natural. Do we want to sell? Be very risque. I would only sell if this can close relatively like a little bit stronger red than this, and the next one has to give a pretty decent retest. Just so you'll be on Rolex, that's dope, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Really. Rollies for grandpa. What color's your Rolex? How much, bro? 27,000 Australian dollars. Will you consider sell? Potentially, yeah. I would just want to see a decent retest of the next candle. Quick question, you trade support resistance, what time frames for making up the inch? I mean, on the 15 minute is where I kind of mark the levels, yeah. On the 15 minutes where I mark the levels, then use the higher time frames to kind of gauge overall structure to figure out whether it's a good idea or not. Yeah. So how long we got? 4.5 minutes. Interesting. Let's see. I could also see this as like a support for the next one to continue up, so we've got to be careful. Did you move to Dubai for tax benefits? Yeah, that's a big part of it. I couldn't wait. Can you not say nom nom? You guys, I just paid for a delivery service last night where they will deliver my meals, like meal prep deliveries for the next like month or whatever. Which broker is the most trusted for large amounts? My one that is in my YouTube description. In my YouTube live stream description, you put in 1,000, you get 100% bonus. So you get 2,000 into the account. Put in 100, you get 200 in your account. This is what my prop firm, this is what my broker is doing to battle prop firms' popularity. They said, fuck it, we'll step our game up as well and we'll offer this. But only if you use the link in my description on my live stream right now on YouTube. All right, man. So what do we got? 1.5 minutes here. Let's see how this candle closes. If it closes like... Yeah, let's see what's up. We'll see what's up. How to eat a burrito. That's right. No, you can't. You can't do what you just said there, which is put in 1,000, get 2,000, withdraw that. No. But you can lose that. You can lose the 2,000 trading, but they give it as a benefit so you can trade, and now you've got the leverage of 2,000, right? But no, you can't just put it in and withdraw 2,000. Obviously, they're not going to let you do that. After becoming profitable, how much do you need to make a month in order to move to Dubai? It depends what type of lifestyle you want to live in Dubai. All right, you could live the same lifestyle you have in Australia or any just like normal stupid place, but you know, I wouldn't suggest coming to Dubai then because it'd just be boring. You're better off going to Bali or something where it's cheaper. Need a signal so to pay for my Rolex. Look at Trade Sharp over here. What up, my brother? We just give each other signals on stream. Signal, so if you ever on Trade Sharp's live stream, just ask him for signals flat out. Put the house on the SIGs. Reason why break above? I mean, I don't know right now. It's so much green, bro. And these candle bodies are kind of getting smaller as well. All right, there we go. That's a lame closure, bro. That's a real lame closure. Knowing this, the next candle will just massively shoot up and then just be like, cool. Yeah, living in Dubai now permanently. That's right. I mean, yeah, real lame closure here. I guess we'll fucking just have to see how this next one starts to develop. NQ, what do you got? Kind of down at this level here. It's interesting, I guess. What tick are you looking at? You can see in the background there, the watermark in the background there. That's why I put that one there. Where'd you take your trade today? I took my trade today over here. Right here. This was a bit of a tricky one, but in terms of what I was thinking, I'll show you right now. All right, so I had this level here, relatively bearish. I had a big wicks over here. Had this 15 engulf the previous one. But the other time frames kind of told the story because I was like, oh man, there's 15 structure right here. What do I think about that? And I had to look at the other time frames. I was like, okay, let me look at the 30 here. And I liked how the 30 kind of was failing here, right? Closing back in the range. But this big 30 wick got me really interested. On the 15, there was a level down here as well. So I'm like, if it can get past that, there's a very clear target right here. And that's a 30 wick. The 1 hour also, I like this structure on the 1 hour. It held like this. Yeah, and it just melted. I just had enough on my side to take the trade there. Yeah, here's what I literally just said will most likely happen now. But is the rate cut still happening even though it's government shutdown? Oh, you took the same? Nice. Sick as. Four-hour closure next candle. Yeah, true. Oh, it's independent from the government, so technically, okay. Why you knew it would shoot up even though it closed lame? Nah, I didn't know. It's just more like, you know, you see things play out so many times, you just kind of get a bit of a pulse, but you never really know. I'm just saying there's a probability of it just happening. Also a level of sarcasm in that, but yeah. Rate cut's still happening. Okay. All right, so when this candle closes, that's a 4-hour Forex candle closure. That means the 4-hour will most likely engulf this 4-hour level over here, which is a pretty major level, man. It's a level, man. Major level. What's happening, Caroline? I'm doing amazing. Do you guys trade crypto? Well, now that you say that, I might have to do it right now, right here on stream. Live on stream. Bitcoin going to zero. Oh, there's nothing on that. Hi, bro. I want that Rolex watch, bro. Bro. Just buy it. Like I did. You still using AirPods after the radiation rumor? I don't change my decisions based on rumors. I change them based on whispers. Now, I looked into that. I'm a bit sus on it as well, but from what I looked into, it seems like it's not actually bad. Oh, shit. Do I want to lean back? Maybe if this can close and engulf, we could be doing something here. If this could close red like this. But again, if it were to do that, I would need a big retest in order to be interested. I'd need a big retest. The level radiation is a major. There's some comparisons wide headphones. Yeah. Do you have seasons where it gives easy versus hard setups? No. Market conditions always change is what I've realized is market conditions always change, and then it's your duty as a trader and as a human being is to adapt to those changing conditions if you want to be long-term consistently profitable. So you live in Dubai now, but from Australia originally? That's right. I'm an Aussie originally, mate. Kick back and watch the footy. Kick my feet up and drink a few VBs. You know, fucking got Smoko at work tomorrow. Wow, so not an Australian anymore. Danny flipping deals. Wait, what? Oh, look at this. Danny flipping deals. Yeah, Danny flipping deals is one of the cats in the community. That's right. Danny flipping deals is a bit of a is a bit famous over here. How much savings did you have before you moved to Dubai? Not much. Check Dissy, bro. All right, let's check Dissy. Oh no, I'm scared. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Please don't make me regret having a look at this. Please don't make me regret having a look at this. That's all I'll say. Is please don't make me regret having a look at this. Wait, what's going on? Fuck yes, all this stuff's in my way, I can't do anything. We watched a movie called I Swallow Come. Completely nerfed, bro.
Dance.
Bro! Why? Why did you have to clip that fucking clip? Damn, bro. That's wild, bro. That's actually crazy. That's actually crazy. How did I fall for that? That's the dumbest thing you could ever fall for. The way that that person wrote it was like weird. It actually tricked me. Is that how it was? Is that how you wrote it? Damn. Yeah, I got taught twice in one day. How to be disciplined from your experience without breaking your promise not to repeat the same mistakes again? Ah, good question. I've gone in depth about this before, actually. Let me show you guys something real quick. Great question. I'm going to show you something that is actually going to be the most valuable thing I've probably shown on this stream before. I'm being dead serious. Trader's Date. Yeah, Trader's Date always cooking me. Look at gold, man. Told you it would do this shit. I mean, we've got 4 minutes for gold to close. Let me just show you guys something here, right? This is what I call the psychological loop of losing. Tell me if this sounds familiar, you guys. I'm going to show you something here. It's going to take a couple minutes, but I promise you this is actually valuable. Pay attention to this for a second. You get a new account. Okay. Sounds about right. Optimistic. You get a few decent trades. You're in a high spirit, right? This is dope. Visualizing the money that, man, if this gets funded, I'm going to make some decent money here. This time I'm not going to break my rules. This time's different. Who's ever got a new account and you said, this time's different. I'm not going to break my rules this time. Huh? Then what happens? You lose a trade. What happens after that? Frustration. Now I've taken a few losses. This is going to take forever to get a payout. Every time, right? This is going to take forever to get a payout. Performance starts to get reactive. Willingness to take shitty trades now. You're emotional. You're getting fidgety. This is a guy that told himself he would never break his rules again, but now you're starting to lose control. You took another loss. That was the last straw. Now you're emotionally hijacked. It's not about winning anymore. It's about control. I want to control the outcome now. Trades start becoming impulsive. You completely dissociate. Heart rate increased. Jittery hands. I don't even care at this point. Account blows. What happens after that? Snap out of it. Guilt and shame, but a sense of peace because you're in control again. The account's gone. There's actually a sense of peace. Now your account's gone. You actually feel a level of peace and doubt. New account. And this is the psychological loop of losing. And what I say, there's light at the end of the tunnel, because guess what it should be like? Instead of feeling this, high spirit, how much can I make? You feel this. This is what professionals do. Visualize the money that they will lose. Lose. You're going to lose money. Stop thinking about how much you're going to make. Think about the reality. The reality is you're going to lose trades. They're in a neutral state. Took a few losses. I expected this. What did the amateur think? The amateur thinks, took a few losses. This is going to take forever. Nah, the professional goes, I was expecting this. Stupid. You thought I wasn't going to lose a trade? In a neutral state. By this point, the amateur's reactive. They're fucking impulsive. The professional missed some trading days because the A+ setup wasn't there. Still in a neutral state. You know, they're getting good trades along the way. Weekend hits, accounts healthy. They're locked out after London. They're like, good shit, I'm done. Still neutral. Comes in Monday, eager but aware of the eagerness to not take impulse trades. And by this stage, bro, they're done. They get the account passed. So there's two different ways to approach an account. The amateur loop, which we went through the first time, and the professional loop. Decision's on you, bro. You can make the decision. This is the shit we go through in detail in the mentorship. You go to danielholmestrades.com. We go into detail, but I just wanted to show you guys that. I thought it was pretty interesting. It's an interesting thing. I wanted to go over there. All right, man. This time I won't break my rules. All right, there's that closure. Like, this is fucking painful, bro. This is painful stuff. Standard London session, right? Standard London session, you just got one color, green. Can we get that map, bro? I mean, it's really for the mentorship cats, but we'll figure something out. I don't know. I'll send it to you, John, personally. But isn't it funny? Like, don't ever think that you're different. Like, we're all the same. All traders are the same. They go through the same shit. That's why I knew to ask you guys, has anyone ever thought this? This time I won't break my rules. Right? A couple of hours later, you're fucking balls deep in just a bunch of bullshit trades and your account's compromised. It's like, why does that happen? Psychologically, believe it or not, it's like deep, bro. It's deep. You're trying to control an outcome. You're not trying to trade a proven system. You're trying to control an outcome. If you ever grew up in like a broken home or a chaotic environment where there was no control, believe it or not, you might have a sense subconsciously of trying to always gain control or maintain control. And that can come out in the charts as well. NQ? All right, so that was an hour closure. The 15's like weak though on NQ. Looks nice in the hour and the 30. I mean, if NQ were to retest and give a decent retest, I could, this structure on the 15 is just too ugly for me. Yeah, frustrating stuff here on gold. Really frustrating. That's a 4-hour closure on Forex as well on gold. I'm trading trade locker when I add my position average. Yeah, you just let your playbook, like let your system trade. You just control the ship. Don't try and take over. Please make that psychological loop presentation in a short form post. Yeah, I will be doing that in a short form post. Yeah. But this time's different. Hey, you guys, real quick, if you're looking to broker, if you put in 1,000, you get 2,000. 100% bonus on your broker account setup. This account right here. This is my personal account. It's with Tora Markets. In my YouTube live stream description, there's a link. If you follow that link and put an amount in, they will double it. They'll put double the amount in. That's their way of matching prop firms these days. You know what I mean? They're trying to steal you guys off prop firms. So it'll only work if you use that link in my description, but yeah, pretty fucking sick. No way it's going to be another green, brother. Trust me, man. I've seen it all before. There's 100% chance that very likely chance that it'll just be another green. I've seen it all before. Put in 10K, they'll double it. No, this is the limit. So anywhere from 100 to 1,000, they'll double it. Anywhere from 1,000 to 5,000, it's 50%. Right? So that's still fucking sick. Musty going back looking at some stuff I used to take and crash. Nice gold scalper. Good stuff, man. So yeah, man, I'm with you guys. I want to trade, but this is tough conditions here. Look, we've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're on the 9th green candle in a row. Yeah. I mean, yesterday was the same, but the opposite, going down. It's really fun to stream that. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the live stream as well if you enjoy the live stream and you like us. Drop a thumbie. As much as I like you, false information is wrong. The bonus works without the link. Hey, bro! Help a brother out, for fuck's sake! Why do you have to try and dob on everyone? God damn it. Fuck me. This guy. This fucking guy. Asia swept? I'm not sure. 9 candle was reliable. I mean, not only because of that, Ross, but because there's like just no indication to short right now. It's just green. This fucking guy. What broker you use? Toro Markets. Toza. Yeah, so we'll see, man. I mean, yeah, we'll see. If I don't get anything happening here soon, I'll just cruise because this is boring. What kind of food do you like? Nothing, just plain stuff. Signal, sir, signal, signal. Oh, from Adelaide, nice. No, I don't trade all three. Nah, NQ, the only way I would have been interested in NQ is if it gave like a really big retest, like up here like this almost, and then broke the lows, then I would be interested, but it's barely retested or anything, or hasn't retested at all.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was.
Why do you trade 50Ks instead of 150K just price? Yeah, just mainly the price, and I can just still make them good money. Like I can make really good money. All I really need to do is like maybe spend a week, put a bit of size on the accounts, and then I would just trade like the same amount as I would with the 150K anyway. Yeah, I realize that. I mean, yes and no. I don't know. I do trade my Bullinox a bit more aggressive, to be honest, but that's because Bullinox is like, you know, your side piece, like ball and chain. Just, I don't know. I don't know. Big gap to fill on NQ. I mean, it doesn't have to be filled. Don't ever get that in your mind. Gaps don't have to be filled. Yeah, I don't know, Amy. This is super cool. Now again, if you start as a beginner trader, what 2-3 mistakes would you avoid? I mean, the first thing I'll do, I'll just get a mentor at this stage. When I started, there wasn't really mentors. There was just courses. So I went and purchased every course and I just flooded my mind with so much different shit. But these days, I'll just get a mentor. It's just like, if you want to be a professional boxer, the first thing you would do is get a professional boxing coach. Like, it's the best way to get quick. The best way to get good quick. And then just listen to them. If you get a mentor, you have to put your trust in them and the advice that they give you, and it would just be like, just do that. It's the best way to get quick. Get good quick. Yeah, that's right, Vanessa. Vanessa, you joined the mentorship, didn't you? We've got to catch up for a one-on-one if you did. So here we are, man. Clean traffic above this level, but just so much greenery. It's really tricky stuff. Steroids? I used to back in the day, not anymore. You got a book called too, Kyle? Yeah. Just let me know. Or you could just, yeah, just when you're ready. Thank you. Yeah, these are the sessions where it's just super fun just to watch a green candle just continually get printed, and then you just watch it. Really, really cool. I had a mentor for a couple of years, but then traded a different strategy then because I knew it worked, so it just came down to risk management. I mean, that doesn't even make sense. Why would you have a mentor for a couple of years and then trade a different strategy to them? You would just not have the mentor then. Like if I was coaching somebody and they were like, but they were trading a different strategy, I just wouldn't be coaching them. I'd be like, it doesn't make sense. Hi, I'm an Indian Shur Sial Jala. Thank you, Snubbers. It depends more. There's different tiers, brother. Any advice to a full-time trader? My advice would be only specific. It'd be specific if you had any issue. Like, yeah, specific based. Doesn't look like a good line of print it red and then buy. I mean, it just depends what it looks like structurally. How do you place your indicators? You just go to the indicator section and then just start fucking placing them. Oh wow, trading view only allows you to put like one indicator or whatever. 2. I mean, thank God I never fucking went down the rabbit hole of indicators, man. Stacy! What up? Good to see ya. Stacy's mom. Peace out, Yep, hit me up, Stace. For show. Faux show. Oh, really? Did you message me? I'll have to have a look. Sorry. How many trades? I don't know. 0 to 3 max. Spoke to my team a few months ago. Nice. No, not changing me. In this situation, we have to wait for the market to decide because you can see the sellers. I mean, in this situation, we just need a red candle, man. It's just all green. In situations like this, you just have to sit on your hands. It can suck. It's boring. If I wasn't on stream, I wouldn't even be looking at the chart right now. I would just be kind of watching and waiting and coming back if something happened. But, you know, for now, it's just what it is. Stop wearing glasses. What the fuck? How does me wearing glasses have anything to do with you? Why? just in case you're wondering what the time was. Oh, fuck. When's the next intake, brother? Go to danielhomestrades.com, and I've been sharing that we've just started to look at some new applications. Go to danielhomestrades.com. All right, man, we got a 15-minute red candle. This is groundbreaking news. A little bit of a show off, brother. If you had a $27,000 watch, you'd probably show it off as well. Still streaming, bro. Still just sitting here watching greenery. Wedding in Dubai, yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. We're gonna have to. I have no choice at this point. How many stop loss hits do you go for a day? Hey, how many stop loss hits do you go for a day? I mean, yeah, 2 losses and I just call it a day, man. Anything after 2 losses, then I start to turn into a psycho. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it just doesn't. You start to not think properly. What do you mean? Have no choice? Oh yeah, I guess that doesn't make sense. Yeah. My answer is just yes. What's your RR typically? 1 to 1 or something. Yeah, just 1 to 1. Thank you. Very cool. Yeah, I know. I do need a bigger playlist. I agree. How much cooler with glasses? How do you get the indicator that has like a big circle or a small circle for buy orders? Oh, you mean those fucking balloon fucking... How do you get the indicator with the balloons all over it? Wow, look at this. Loose unit in the mentorship. He got his first funded account today and already has $700 on it. Incredible. Blew your funded account today? Was a good day? What do you mean it was a good day? Are you being sarcastic? Why do you not mark SL and TP level? Because I first need a trade level before I can do that. Yeah, the #1 scalper in the world with bubbles. The #1 scalper in the world uses balloons to fucking win. Yeah, I don't know about these fucking putting balloons all over your charts. Nah, dude, you don't understand. This shows you when the orders come in. You got to use the balloon strat. I'll use the balloon not strat. Did you just send me a follow or was it a scammer? I guess there's no more way to find out. Give me your credit card details and you'll see what happens after. I believe a few months ago I was putting fees together. I will need to... Yeah, you'll need to apply again, FX. Just jump on danielhomestrades.com and you'll be able to do it through there, brother. Yeah, do it again. How much money you can do in a day? I mean, technically infinity. I signed up for his 9-month course. Apparently it's all show no results. I don't know if you're talking to me, but let's have a look. So it's all show no results, yet the last 12 hours, We've got a funded trader. First ever funded trader. First ever funded trader. Wins, wins, wins. Wins, wins, wins. Wins, wins, wins. Target. Wins, wins, wins. But it's all show, no blow. Suck my dick! Talking about the #1 scalper. Oh, fuck. Yeah, yeah. But even, have you seen that Burn dude getting, you know that Bert? Hi, I'm Bert, the number one FTMO leaderboard trader. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the fucking shit. Have you seen his shit's all getting exposed now? His whole mentorship was, it's a, I better not talk shit, but yeah, you can Google it. I'm Bert. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was on the FTMO leaderboard over 100 times. Stop talking like that! Please, Bert, please, I'm begging you, please stop talking like that. I'll do anything. I'll give you my fucking Rolex. What are you waiting for? I mean, brother, good question. If this closes above this level, I might be interested, but it's most likely just going to reject from there. Oh, man. Do you also trade New York session? In the mentorship sometimes, yeah. You were not patient? Yeah, I don't know, bro. Yeah, good stuff, Luce. Yeah, lock the account, call it, and yep, beautiful work. W. Bird's a profitable NPC. I was on the FTMO leaderboard 400 times, and this is how I did it. Yeah, follow me, copyright. You might be, that's so funny. Could you imagine? I mean, I actually have nothing against him, but it's just... Yeah, I guess I shouldn't say anything. That's... Doing a seminar more often? Yeah, for sure. Hey, anyone from Australia, I would say, here's the link to my free Discord. We're going to be doing an Australian meetup in December in Brisbane. So if you want to come for a traders meetup, here's the link in the YouTube live stream chat. Join the free Dissy and I'll keep you posted. Yeah, doing it probably the 20th of December. Stat. I think the 20th of December is going to be the go. Kiwis welcome. Anyone's welcome. You can even bring your animals. Real life stream. Yeah, I might be doing an IRL stream for it as well. How much profit you made this trade? This is probably the boringest fucking London session I've ever been. Nah, I've done many boring sessions like this where it's just, there's absolutely nothing. Nah, I don't watch footy. I mean cricket. Yeah, I'm going home in December. Well, not home, but yeah, Australia. Aren't you mates with Yarimi? Yarimi? The fuck is Yarimi? This is my last candle, you guys. If this doesn't do anything interesting, I'm just gonna call it. I'll probably just delete this whole live stream, to be honest. It's so boring. Volatility coming in 5. How come? You keep ignoring my question though. All right, this better be the fucking best question at all. You said, are not in Dubai. ANS me please. What? Do you see why I ignored your question now? Do the dots connect? Fuck me. I don't know what the fuck you're saying. Don't delete it, bro. Nah, I won't delete it. I won't delete it. The only reason I won't delete it is because I talked through the mindset thing. And if people want to watch that back, they might get something out of it. Credit and lending news, really? Can I start clipping for you? Yeah, send me a DM. Yeah, I guess you're right. There's someone else. Yeah. Do you have a premium where you provide signals? No. I average 1 to 3K viewers on Instagram. Bro, that's not good. What's your biggest career loss? 11K in a day. I should try to trade his date. Fuck. What do you think about the orb strat? I actually don't like the orb strat as a strategy for profitable traders. So to meet in person, meet other traders. Yeah, do it, Ty. I'll definitely lock in the dates over these next coming 48 hours. I'm gonna sign up to meetup.com and start locking it in. I'm probably gonna charge like $5 so people have a financial investment. They'll get the money back, but it's just so they're like, if somebody's put money into it, there's a more high probability that them showing up and I can see who's actually gonna show up. As opposed to people just be like, yeah man, I'll see you there, and then so it'll be like a deposit. Can I know why you didn't short? There's absolutely nothing here that would make me want to short. It's just super bullish. Super bulldozer. Sick. Awesome closure, man. This is fucking fire. Oh, another green closure. Yes! So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 green closures in a row. Let's go! Fuck yes, bro. I can't wait to get kicked out of this apartment for yelling so much. Let me take these fucking iPods out. I mean, what are we going to do, guys? Are we going to wait for one more candle, or we're just going to call it? Because right now, there's just been nothing. Right now, there's just been nothing. Keep it loud on the screen. Hello, how can I make $20 a day? I mean, there's so many ways to make $20 a day. So many ways to make $20 a day. It's not even funny. You know what I mean? Get ready for a short. Get ready. Call it, you reckon? End of the month, Fed coming up. Yeah. Been to New Zealand? Nah, but I want to. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Unfortunate, just boring session. Just so much greenery. We just have to kind of watch it move up. I guess this happens sometimes, and don't force anything. You know what's going to be the best to do is just to wait for New York. But then even in New York, we've got so much red folder news. So good luck on that as well. You know, you don't have to trade every day. You do realize as well. So it is what it is. Anyone interested in joining the mentorship, go to danielholmestrades.com or deposit this amount and you get double the amount into the broker. There's a link in my YouTube live stream description. Love you guys. Appreciate you guys. I'll catch up with you on stream tomorrow. Peace out.